Today we will discuss about important problems in trigonometric chapter. So before going to the topic, if you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel. So let's go into topic. So first problem. This problem is given in the board examinations in 10th class. So first solution we have to do. So they asked the question: sin a plus cosecant a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. They asked to prove. So first, it is like a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, which we have learned already. So first, applying that, sin square a plus 2 into sin a cosecant a plus cosecant square a. Next, plus we have to take this cos square a plus 2 cos a secant a plus secant square a. These we are doing solution. They ask you to prove this. Next, so first, sin a and cosecant a, they are reciprocals, so we have to convert into reciprocals. Sin square a plus 2 into sin a equal to 1 by cosecant a or cosecant a equal to 1 by sin a. We will take either 1 by sin a plus cosecant square a plus cos square a plus 2 cos square a equal to 1 by secant a or secant a equal to 1 by cos a. We will take either. So cos a 1 by cos a plus secant square a. So we will cancel this. Cos a cancel. So sin square a plus 2 into 1 plus cosecant square a plus cos square a plus 2 into 1 plus secant square a. So I have learned identities that sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So 1 plus 2 into 1. Next, plus cosecant square a plus 2 into 1 plus secant square a. 1, 2 plus 2 plus cosecant square a plus secant square a. We have learned other two identities that are cosecant square a minus cot square a equal to 1. They have asked cosecant square a. So cosecant square a equal to cot square a is subtraction here, that will go on that side, will become addition. So 1 plus cot square a. Next, and secant square a. So there is identity. Secant square a minus tan square a equal to 1. We have to get secant square a. Secant square a equal to 1 plus tan square a. We have to plot these values on that. So totally 5 plus cosecant square a equal to 1 plus cot square a plus secant square a equal to 1 plus tan square a. So 5 plus 6 plus 1, 7 plus cot square a plus tan square a. So they have asked that to prove 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. We got the answer 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. So this is the answer. So in this part 4 in the trigonometry, to solve the problems, we have to take ratios and their reciprocals mainly to solve the problem. Next, second problem. Here given 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. They asked to simplify this. So it look like a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. It is a formula. So applying on that, 1 square minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. 1 square means it equal to 1. 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. 1 plus cot square theta, they are identity. cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. They asked 1 plus cot square theta, so cot square theta will go on that side. Cosecant square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So here we given 1 plus cot square theta, so we will get cosecant square theta. So sin square theta into cosecant square theta, these are reciprocals, so sin theta equal to 1 by cosecant square theta into cosecant square theta. They will be cancelled and we will get 1. So in this problem we got one answer. So while solving this we have taken ratios and mainly identities. Next, third problem. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. They are asked to prove. Okay, first we have to take these ratios. Cosecant theta means 1 by sin theta and cot theta means cos theta by sin theta whole square. So LCM will get sin square theta because whole square, so this square will be applicable to sin theta. Next, 1 minus cos theta whole square. So we have to get 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, so this cos theta will be same, 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. So sin square theta will be also written as 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos square theta. So this one will also be written as 1 square because 1 square is also equal to 1. Then we will get this answer, 1 minus cos theta whole square by, this look like a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So this 1 minus cos theta, there are 2, so this is equal to 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. 1 will be cancelled, 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta will be cancelled, so we will get 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. They asked to prove this, we have proved. So these like problems are solved in this method. Next, fourth problem. So the question is 1 minus tan square a by cot square a minus 1 equal to tan square a. They asked to prove. So here already 1 minus tan square a is given, so we have to keep the tan square a like that, 1 minus tan square a. Next, cot square a means, so according to this answer we have to take reciprocal. So tan square means 1 by cot square a means 1 by tan square a minus 1. LCM will get tan square a, and here 1 minus tan square a, 1 minus tan square a. So when they are multiplied on that side, so 1 minus tan square a, this is divided on that side, when it will go that side it will be multiplied, tan square a 1 minus tan square a. So it will be divided form, it will be cancelled, we will get tan square a. So this answer, we will got the answer. So fourth problem also about, these are problems given in the examinations. Next, fifth problem, these also given in the examination. So first they are given cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to k, then prove that cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So first we have to look this cosecant theta plus cot theta, we have to remember the identity, cosecant theta minus cosecant theta whole, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1, we have to remember this identity. So it look like a square minus b square, so cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. So they are given cosecant theta plus cot theta, we have to substitute the k value, k into cosecant theta minus cot theta equal to 1. We have to get cosecant theta minus cot theta, cosecant theta minus cot theta equal to k is multiplied and it will be divided on that side, 1 by k. So it is first equation, it is second equation, so we have to add these two equations and subtract the two equations to get that answer. So first we are adding the both equations, adding 1 and 2 equations. First equation, cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to k. Second equation, cosecant theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k. By adding, these are plus and minus, this will be cancelled by adding, and 2 cosecant theta equal to k plus 1 by k. LCM will be k and k square plus 1. The LCM will be k, so here 1. So k will be multiplied with this, so k square plus 1. This will be equation 3. Next, subtracting the equations. Subtracting 1 and 2 equations. Cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to k. Cosecant theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k. So by subtracting, values will be changed. This is plus and the minus will be changed to plus, and this is plus and we will change it to minus. So plus first will be added and the plus minus will be cancelled. So 2 cot theta equal to k minus 1 by k by 1. So k square minus 1. 2 cot theta equal to k square minus 1. So these are 3 and 4 equations. We have to divide fourth equation by third equation. Dividing fourth equation by third equation. What is fourth equation? 2 cot theta divided by 2 cosecant theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k is divided by k square plus 1 by k. K and k will be cancelled, equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So I almost got the answer, k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. But they are given cos theta equal to, they asked to prove cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So we have to get cos theta. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Cot theta means we will get cos theta by sin theta. Cosecant theta means 1 by sin theta. So this sin theta and sin theta will be cancelled. We will get cos theta. Cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So we got the answer. So in this method we have solved 5 important problems for trigonometric chapter. So this is about trigonometry. In these 5 videos I have told about trigonometric chapter and how to solve the problems based on that concept. So tomorrow onwards I will tell new chapter about 10th class. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel if you like our videos.